We're here today at the Science Museum in London to celebrate the success of the UK RAS STEPS programme, which is highlighting the achievements of technicians across the UK.
For me, networking with people who use the same technologies that I use enables us to knowledge share. And when we've had problems, then we can work together to solve them. They may have already solved them, so we're not reinventing the wheel.
Being part of UK RAS, there's really loads of opportunities to look at how you can develop your technical career path, and there's loads of opportunities as well for networking, meeting other like-minded people, technicians.
The first thing I got involved with was a secondment up to the Robotarium at Harriet Watt up in Edinburgh. Going on secondment for long enough to actually get involved in things rather than just being on a tour, UK RAS STEPS allowed that deeper kind of networking.
So yeah, this year I participated in a knowledge exchange programme with UK RAS STEPS, where I visited the University of Leeds. The whole experience was really useful, and I learned a lot about what a technical role can look like in this kind of field and how that can differ between institutions.
I was able to go on some machinery safety course. I learned some really valuable things, and hopefully I'll sort of carry on doing some more training courses like that.
This community is very good at sharing, and we just sometimes struggle to find the people to share with. And so this programme enables us to bring that community together so that we can share that knowledge and improve how we support research.